Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Voice of Me. I hope you all are well. Before starting the new informative video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. In this video, we talk about the fifth most populous country, Pakistan. Pakistan, officially the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, is a country in South Asia with a population of over 241.5 million, having the second largest Muslim population as of 2023. Islamabad is the nation's capital, while Karachi is its largest city and financial center. Pakistan is the 33rd largest country by Asia and the 9th largest in Asia. The history of Pakistan preceding the country's creation in 1947. Although Pakistan was created in 1947 as a whole new country by the British through partition of India, but the history of the land extends much further back and it's intertwined with that of Afghanistan, India and Iran. Spanning the northwestern expanse of the Indian subcontinent and the eastern borderlands of the Iranian plateau, the region of present-day Pakistan served both as the fertile ground of a major civilization and as the gateway of South Asia to Central Asia and the Near East. Situated on the first coastal migrating route of Homo sapiens out of Africa, the region was inhabited early by modern humans. The 9,000-year history of village life in South Asia traces back to the Neolithic 7000 to 4300 BCE site of Mehrgarh in Pakistan and the 5,000-year history of urban life in South Asia to the various sites of the Indus Valley civilization, including Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Following the decline of the Indus Valley civilization, Indo-Aryan tribes moved into the Punjab from Central Asia in several waves of migration in the Vedic period 1500 to 500 BCE. Bringing with them came their distinctive religious traditions and practices which fused with local culture. The Indo-Aryan religious beliefs and practices from the Bactria Margiana culture and the native Harappan Indus beliefs of the former Indus Valley civilization eventually gave rise to Vedic culture and tribes. Most notable among them was Gandhara civilization, which flourished at the crossroads of India, Central Asia and the Middle East, connecting trade routes and absorbing cultural influences from diverse civilizations. The initial early Vedic culture was a tribal pastoral society centered in the Indus Valley of what is today Pakistan. During this period, the Vedas, the oldest scriptures of Hinduism, were composed. The ensuing millennia saw the region of present-day Pakistan absorb many influences represented among others in the ancient, mainly Hindu, Buddhist sites of Taxila and Takhti Bahi, the 14th century Islamic Sindhi monuments of Thatta and the 17th century of Mughal monuments of Lahore. In the first half of the 19th century, the region was appropriated by the East India Company, followed after 1857 by 90 years of direct British rule and ending with the creation of Pakistan in 1947 through the efforts, among others, of its future national poet Allama Muhammad Iqbal and its founder Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Since then, the country has experienced both civilian democratic and military rule, resulting in periods of significant economic and military growth as well as those of instability. Significant during the latter was the succession of East Pakistan as the new nation of Bangladesh. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.